Hello everyone, मैं BL Sharma Maths sir discussing exercise 9.1 in continuation. This is question number 9. You will see the question number 1 to 8 in other videos. And the question number 9 is on your screen, the angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower. That is tower, this is building. This is ground. The angle of the angle of elevation of top of building from the foot of the tower. This is tower, its foot, top of the building here. पहले mark कर लीजिएगा. This is building. This is tower. The height of the tower, it is given 50 meter. 50 meter. So here this height is 50 meter. Now, top of building, foot of building, top of tower, foot of tower. It is given the angle of elevation of top of building from foot of tower means this angle is 30 degree. Top of building से foot of tower का जो angle of elevation है that is 30 degree. But from foot of building to top of tower that is 60 degree. This angle is 60 degree. Our diagram is complete. We have to find out the height of the building. This is height of the building. We know in application of trigonometry, we know that in a right angle triangle, if one side and one acute angle is given by the help of trigonometric ratios of standard angles, means 30, 45, 60 degree, we can calculate the remaining two sides. यहाँ पे हमें दो राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल दे रखे हैं जिसमें दो एक्यूट एंगल दे रखा है. देखिए, एक राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल ए बी क्यू इंक्लूडिंग acute angle 30 degree and other is right triangle PQB including acute angle 60 degree. इन दोनों में हमें कॉमन साइड को ढूंढ लेना चाहिए. देखिए, लेट द हाइट ऑफ द टावर आपको ब्रीफ में लिखना होता है, हर क्वेश्चन में जरूरी है लिखना. PQ is 50 meter and the height of the building that is AB. Now in right triangle PQB, here acute angle is 60 degree. So for this is for PQ is perpendicular, BQ is base. So PQ upon BQ, perpendicular upon base, that is 10. 1030 or 1060. Yes, we have to the angle triangle under consideration is triangle PQR. So you have to take 60 degree. So that is 1060 degree. In place of PQ, put 50, BQ as it is. But in place of 1060, the value of 1060 is what? Root 3. So what is BQ? BQ is 50 upon root 3. Right? अब हम राइट ट्राइंगल ए बी क्यू में जाएंगे. ए बी क्यू इन द acute angle is 30 degree. So for 30 degree in triangle, right triangle ABQ, AB upon BQ, for 30 degree, AB is perpendicular and BQ is base, perpendicular upon base, that is 10, 30 degree. So AB as it is, BQ as it is, in place of 10, 30, you put 1 upon root 3. AB as it is, but in place of BQ, you can write 50 upon root 3. The value of root 3 is 1 upon root 3. So on further multiplication, AB as it is, 50 as it is, root 3 upon root 3 is 3. So 50 upon 3. Divide kariye, you can write in big fraction 16 by 3 or 16.666 meter. That's all for this question. So write the answer statement. So the height of the building means this AB is 16.666 approximate value. That's all for this question. Here in place of BQ, you have written here 50 upon root 3. Question number 10. Two poles of equal heights are standing opposite to each other on the either side of the road, which is 80-meter wide. There is a road 80-meter wide, and at B and D, there are two poles of equal height. Means AB pole is equal to the height of pole AB is equal to height of pole CD. And there is a point, there is some point here on the BD such that the angle of elevation of one pole is 30 degree, and from the same point, the angle of elevation of the other pole is 60 degree. We have to find out the height of the pole because both poles are of same height, and the distance of this point from point B and from point D. Means आपको ये distance और ये distance find out करना है. इस point को भी हम mark कर देते हैं. ये देखिए O point ऐसा है BD पे जहां पे angle of elevation of the first pole is 30 degree and angle of elevation of the second pole is found to be 60 degree. Find the height and distance. Let OD is equal to x meter. Since the total height BD is 80 meters, so BO will be 80 minus x meter. Now, AB is equal to AC, that is height of the poles. It is given that the height of the two poles same. That is why AB is equal to CD. And distance between the two poles, that is 80 meter, means BD is equal to 80 meter. It is given. Let O be the point between B and D such that angle AOB is equal to 30 degree and angle COD is equal to 60 degree. It is given. Let OD is equal to x meter and BO will be 80 minus x meter. Now, आप देखेंगे कि यहाँ पे दो राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल है विद दो एक्यूट एंगल्स, एक एक्यूट एंगल 30 डिग्री और ये एक्यूट एंगल 60 डिग्री. इन दोनों में AB और CD इक्वल है. दोनों इस राइट ट्राइंगल में AB फाइंड आउट करिए और इस राइट ट्राइंगल में CD फाइंड आउट करिए. सो इन राइट ट्राइंगल CDO, CD upon OD, perpendicular upon base, that is tan what? Tan 60 degree. So CD is equal to DO, DO is equal to x meter. So in place of DO, you write x, and in place of tan 60, you write root 3, square root of 3. So CD is equal to root 3 into x. Now in right triangle ABO, AB upon BO, that is tan 30 degree. AB is equal to BO is 80 minus x. Tan 30 degree is equal to 1 upon root 3. So AB as it is in place of BO, you write 80 minus x. Into 1 upon root 3. But we know AB is equal to CD. This AB is equal to the CD. Therefore, root 3x is equal to 80 minus x, 1 upon root 3. You can see here. So root 3x is equal to 80 minus x upon इंटू 1/√3। कंपेयर करिएगा, √3 into √3 on further simplification, it is 3x is equal to 80 minus x, so 4x is equal to 80, so x is equal to 20. This x is equal to 20. Means the distance DO or OD, that is 20 meter. Since we know the total distance BD is equal to 80 meter, so BO will be 80 minus 20, that is 60 meter. So ये जो BO होगा, that will be 60 meter, and DO is equal to 20 meter. Now, height of the pole, that is CD. CD is equal to √3 into x, and the value of x is 20. So CD is equal to √3 into 20. In place of x, you put 20. So CD is equal to 20 √3 meter. That is why now you can write the answer. Height of the poles, that is 20 √3 meter. And the distance of the point from the poles, that is 20 meter, and this is 60 meter. Answer. That's all for this question. Question number 11 on your screen. Sometimes diagram is not given, only informations are given. Though in the question diagram is given, but from the given information, I want to tell you that how to draw the diagram from the given information. Given information से diagram कैसे बनाते हैं, ये बहुत जरूरी है. एप्लीकेशन ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्री चैप्टर में कई बार क्वेश्चन के साथ डायग्राम गिवन नहीं होता है. क्वेश्चन ये है कि ए टीवी टावर स्टैंड्स वर्टिकली ऑन अ बैंक ऑफ अ रिवर. एक जो है कैनाल है, ये देखिए कैनाल है, और कैनाल के एक बैंक पे किनारे पे एक टावर स्टैंड करते हैं. ये कैनाल है और इसके किनारे पे देखिए बैंक ऑफ कैनाल है और ये एक टावर है. अब यहां से ये टीवी टावर है और यहां से जो एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन है वो 60 डिग्री है. इट इज गिवन. ये भी दे रखा है कि अगर इसे 20 मीटर दूर चले जाएं फ्रॉम अनदर पॉइंट, 20 मीटर अवे फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट यहां चले जाएं, देन एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन विल बी 30 डिग्री. तो चले जाते हैं, ये देखिए जा रहे हैं 20 मीटर दूर, लेकिन ये 20 मीटर दूर है, यहां से जो एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन है वो 30 डिग्री है. देखिए ये रहा. डीसी कितना, ये 20 मीटर है. ये हमारा कंप्लीट फिगर हो जाता है. डायरेक्टली एक फिगर आपको इस क्वेश्चन में दे रखा है, लेकिन मैंने आपको बताया कि कैसे, हाउ टू ड्रॉ द फिगर फ्रॉम द गिवन इंफॉर्मेशन. दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. हमें दो चीज फाइंड आउट करनी है. एक तो बीसी फाइंड आउट करनी है, दैट इज विड्थ ऑफ द कैनल, एंड एक हमें फाइंड आउट करना है एबी, दैट इज हाइट ऑफ द टावर. ये दो चीज हमें फाइंड आउट करनी पड़ेगी, मींस बीसी एंड एबी. यहां पे दो एक्यूट एंगल दे रखे हैं, उन एक्यूट एंगल के साथ एक राइट एंगल दे रखा है, उनसे हमारा वास्ता है. वी आर रिलेटेड टू दोज टू राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल्स. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी लिख दिया कि गिवन क्या है. देखिए सी डी इज इक्वल टू 20 मीटर, एंगल ए सी डी 60 डिग्री, एंड एंगल ए डी बी इज इक्वल टू ए डी बी, सॉरी दैट इज 30 डिग्री. नाउ इन राइट ट्राइंगल ए बी सी, ये रहा राइट एंगल ए बी सी. Here acute angle is 60 degree. So AB upon BC, AB is perpendicular, BC is base, so perpendicular upon base is equal to tan 60 degree. So AB is equal to BC, tan 60 is equal to root 3. So you can say AB is equal to BC into root 3. Mark it, equation number 1. Now in right triangle ABD, for this 30-degree angle, AB upon BD is equal to tan 30 degree. AB as it is, but BD means here to here. That is 20 plus BC. BC plus 20 in place of BD, you can write BD into tan 30 degree. Now in place of BD, you write BC plus 20. The value of tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. Equation number 2. यहां पे आप देखेंगे कि this is AB, this is also AB. From first and second, since left hand side is same, so right hand side is also same. So left hand side is BC root 3 into, and right hand side is BC plus 20 upon 1 upon root 3. Now cross multiplication, root 3 into root 3, 3BC is equal to BC plus 20. BC को लेफ्ट में ले जाइए, so twice of BC is equal to 20, so BC is equal to 10 meter. BC is equal to 10 meter means you can say the length of the canal, that is BC, and here BC is equal to 10 meter. तो आप कह सकते हो कि width of the canal 10 meter है. आपको पूछा था यहां पे ये width होगा BC. अब देखिए BC हमारे पास फाइंड आउट चुका है. अब हमें फाइंड आउट करना है हाइट ऑफ द टावर. हाइट ऑफ द टावर इज AB, एंड यू कैन से हियर AB इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, BC रूट 3. BC आपके पास कितना है, 10 meter. So 10 into root 3, your answer will be 10 into root 3. So you can say now AB is equal to BC root 3. In place of BC, you can put 10 root 3. That's all. So you can write answer statement, height of the tower, that is 10 root 3 meter, and width of the canal, that is 10 meters. That's all. Very important question.